emergency message from the United States government. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. The mysterious fog that we have been warning you about has arrived, and it is causing catastrophic damage. Communication signals have been cut off in many areas due to the fog's interference. We urge all residents to take immediate action to protect themselves. If you are still outside, please return to your shelter immediately. If you have not yet found a secure shelter, we must stress that you listen carefully to the following instructions to protect yourself from potential harm.